Hello and welcome to the technical demonstration portion of the VegSyn project. To demonstrate the functionality of VegSyn, I will be adding an entry for spinach. This is the introduction page. You enter the main website simply by clicking the logo, which takes you to the database. To contribute to the database, you simply add entries into these boxes and submit. But we're not interested in that quite yet. To check for spinach in the list already, we simply go into the select bar and we can see that there are 4 entries: the carrot, watermelon, potato, and cabbage. To look at the compass, that is a MongoDB examination tool, we can see that there are 4 JSONs which are listed here as being part of the project. Now you will see when we add an entry, it will become a part of the database. I'll just use random information. Now if we check the catalog, okay, come on, what the Hello and welcome to the technical demonstration portion of the VegSyn project. To demonstrate the functionality, I will be adding a new entry for spinach. This is the main splash page of the project, and to enter the project itself, you simply click on the logo. This brings you to the page which you can use to make entries into the database. We are not yet interested in this. To look at the catalog, we can see that there are no entries for spinach, but there are 4 entries for carrots, watermelons, potatoes, and cabbages. And when I look at this MongoDB compass tool, which allows me to examine the database itself, it shows the 4 JSON files which are stored in the database. Now to make a contribution, I will call myself just anything random really, just to demonstrate the functionality. And now if we check the catalog, we can see that the spinach entry has been added with this quick junk data which I've made. And in the back-end terminal, we can see that it has made a confirmation of the submission. It makes a confirmation whenever it makes a submission and when it loads a new entry. To demonstrate the firewall is in effect, on this terminal we can see that the UFW has rules blocking the 443 port and the 22 port. Now we will try to make an entry for a vegetable which has already been added. We can see that watermelon already exists within the database. So if we simply add the junk data, we should be able to see that the entry is automatically rejected and the original remains. This is a simple tool called Insomnia, which allows me to easily make HTTP requests to the back end of my server. To confirm that the information is being pulled from the database, I can send a GET request to this route within the back end of the server. That then pulls out all the JSON files which exist in the database. I can also test making a post to this function within the backend, which will then return a confirmation message. I can then see that it has been added, and I can see it in the website itself. Thank you for attending this technical demonstration of the VegSyn project. If you have any questions about the underlying technicalities of the project or anything about the project itself, you can send me an email at julian.moore@edu.sate.ca